Hello everyone, my name is Griselda and I'm from the High School and Community Outreach Department at Santiago Canyon College. And today I'm going to show you how to pay your fees online using Webadvisor. And if you see on the screen, we are on our website at sccollege.edu. And from here, we're going to go ahead and click on students and then cashiers. We can go directly from Webadvisor, but I feel like it's easier for you to access by going to a cashier's office, clicking on payments. And then once you click on payments, you have different options how you can pay your fees, but at this point, we're going to do the online version of it. So by clicking on pay online or clicking Webadvisor, whatever works, we're gonna click on Webadvisor, and then from there, we're gonna log in using your Webadvisor login. Once we click on submit, we're gonna then go to students. Once we're on our student page, we're gonna scroll down and look on where it says financial information, and then we're gonna click on pay on my account. Now, if you wanna know the details as to why you are paying the certain amount, you can click on the highlighted in blue amount, and it'll give you all the details of what you're paying for. Now, if something looks off, do not hesitate to contact our financial aid department as well as our cashier's office so they can go ahead and help you out with whatever you need to do. So once you're there on payment type, all you're doing is selecting the payment type that you're planning on using to pay for your fees, and then you will click on submit, then click on continue, and you will be redirected to the online payment system, where you will then input all the financial information to pay for your fees. But if you still have questions or concerns, do not hesitate to contact us at Outreach. Our information will be provided below here on our video. Have a great day, and welcome to Santiago Canyon College.